This video is sponsored by Soundraw.io. Hey everyone, welcome back again. Finding good music for your videos can be a difficult thing to do. Of course, you can download music from different websites, but you cannot actually modify them according to your requirement. In the end, you come up with modifying your videos according to the music available. But thanks to Soundraw, this is going to change. Soundraw is an innovative composition tool for creators. By combining phrases created by AI, you can customize the scale, composition, instrument, tempo, etc. Let's see how it works. Go to the Soundraw.io, and this is the website where you can generate AI music for your videos. Right here at the top, we have the video theme section. Simply choose any theme for your music, which suits your requirements, such as vlog, corporate, games or advertisement. Let's go with this vlog theme. Right next to it, we have the mood section. Choose a mood for your music. I am going to choose exciting vlog music. Now right next to it, we have this length option. You can choose up to 5 minutes duration, or a minimum duration of 10 seconds. This 10 seconds duration can be helpful for your logo intro. But for this video, I am going to choose a 1 minute length. After selecting the length, we have this detail option. Here you can select a tempo for your music. Also, you can even choose any specific instrument if you like. Now, these are pre-selected instruments, which will be used to create the music. I am going to keep the default one. Also, we have this genre option, which you can choose from the different ones. After selecting the details, all you have to do just simply click on this Create Music button, and their AI will generate some amazing music for you. Now simply click on the play button, and the music will start playing. Nice. I like it. Let's wait for the drop, and see how it is going to sound. Okay, it is powerful, but I am looking for something else. Let's play this one. You can also skip to a specific part by clicking on this waveform. Let's move to the next one. Let's skip at the drop. I like this one. This is really energetic. Let's check this one. Maybe this one. I think I like this one better, so I'm going to choose it. Now you can add this music to your keep list, or you can download it by clicking here. We also have an option to generate more similar music like this one, or you can edit this music. Let's click on this Create Similar Music button, and see how it is going to work. After clicking on this button, it has generated this similar music from this collection. The first one is called the Future Bass. As you may know, I am a fan of the future bass. Let's wait for the drop. This is nice. I like it. Let's check this one. The starting sounds nice. The build-up is awesome. Oh yes. I like this one. If you are happy with the results, you can download this music, or even edit this one. Let's click on the Edit This Music button, and then a new section will appear right here. This might look confusing at first. But trust me, this is much easier than you think. We have a bunch of options for customizing this music, such as the option for adjusting the length of our music. Right now, the duration of this music is 59 seconds. You can change the length by clicking on this minus button. The minimum duration you can go is 10 seconds, which is best suitable for the logo intro music. And this is how it is going to sound. If you want, you can turn on or off a few instruments by clicking on their tracks. I am turning on the bass drums, as well as the fill. Let's play it. Now it sounds much better. We also have the option of changing the BPM of the music. You can go with 166, and it will increase the speed of this music. I like this one better. Now we have another option for changing the instruments. Such as, you can choose a different melody, backing, bass, or even the drums. Let's choose this future bass drum 8 from the list, and then click on Apply. Wait for the change, and then play it. This sounds much better. Now we have an option of changing the key, as well as the volume. In this volume option, you can change the volume of the individual instruments or the tracks. I'm not a musician, so I don't know how much sounds this track should have. Let's play this one. And this sounds better. You can turn off any instrument by clicking on it. Let's turn off the backing, and this is how it sounds. Now I am turning off the bass, and turning on the backing. Noticed the difference? Now, if you want, you can click on this Show Preview Video button, and place your video here, so that you can arrange the music according to your video requirement. If you want a faster experience, you can download their Adobe plugins. Simply click on this Adobe plugins, and here we have the plugins for Premiere Pro, as well as the After Effects. Just download the extension, and install it in your Premiere Pro, or After Effects version, which allows you to generate songs while editing videos in Adobe. Now, they have a free, as well as paid version. You can also choose a 7 days trial. The paid version covers the commercial license, which allows you to use the music in your YouTube videos, as well as the TV and the radio. So what are you waiting for? Click on the first link in the description, and start generating your music today.